This Villager Realty, Lewisburg Office property video is presented by Trish Ruth. Beautiful two-story colonial on 1.14 acres in Mifflinburg School District. Inside you'll find original HW floors, a first-floor laundry and tons of space for all of your needs. When you step outside, you'll enjoy the stone fire pit, fenced-in yard and covered patio, while overlooking the peaceful countryside. With 3-bedroom and 3 full baths, what else could you ask for? Call Trish at 572-04-8448 to schedule your personal tour of this lovely home before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Trish Ruth at 570-275-8440.